Today we're going to make a small bitty bow, really simple to make, really quick and easy. And all you need is 2.5 centimetre thick ribbon of your colour choice. That's already pre-cut to 16 centimetres. Then the same colour for the middle section of the bow, which is 1 centimetre thick, and that's cut to 8 centimetres to cover the clip. And the same thickness as this, 1 centimetre thick, cut to 5 centimetres to go down the middle of the bow, which is this section here. A hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, some cotton, a lighter, and of course the hair clip. You can use a hairband if you prefer. First we're just going to seal all the edges so they don't fray. Now you have got to use a lighter, so be careful. Would get adult supervision if needed. Just literally run it across and it will stop it from fraying. There we go. Perfect. First we're going to cover the hair clip, so you need the 8 centimetre bit for this. We're just going to pop a tiny bit of glue on the inside at the top here. So literally a small bit there. Place just the top bit there, push down with your thumb and release. Then we're going to glue the whole back end of the hair clip. This just really tidies the hair clip up, just finishes off the bow nicely really. And then pull that up, and then inside the hair clip at the top, both sections, a bit of glue here and here on the inside. You don't have to do this, I just think it looks a little bit tidier, but obviously if you're short on ribbon I wouldn't bother. On top, a bit of glue gun there, and then fold that over. Just pull off any dry bits of glue that's floating around, and then that's covered. Next bit, get your thick ribbon. This is 16 centimetres long. We're going to take the bottom half and just place it over the top half, just a tiny bit. You can play around till you're happy with the length of the bow. Now get the untidy side and turn it over so you have the good side facing you. We're going to push down into the centre and then pull out the sides and pull them down, and then you get that nice bow look. We turn this over so the bad side's facing you, and just hold that down with one hand. Grab your cotton, and this will hold the bow in place. Just wrap that round a couple of times. And then just tie it off a couple of times to be sure it's secure. There we go. And then cut the remainder off. And as you can see, you've got that really nice bow shape there, and you haven't got to hold it anymore. We're going to get the clip back, turn the bow over to the bad side, so you've got that bit there, and we're going to just put glue along the middle section here. Just a straight line there, and then the material side of the bow gets stuck down onto the bow like so. Okay. Now the tiny bit, you have about 5 centimetres. It may be too big for your clip, just depending on what clip you've got. We're going to just put the glue down across the string here. The glue gun is really hot, so do be careful. take that middle section and then push down at the sides. There we go. Now you're going to glue this bit, and as you do that you open up and push that in, and it should stick to the clip on the inside. So let's do one side. Open up the clip and push it in. The clip will help hold that in place. And then this one, if it looks like it's going to be a bit of an overhang, which it is, we'll just trim that edge off. And remember just to reseal so you don't get frizz. Glue that section, lift the clip and push in, and push that down. It takes seconds to dry. Then once you're done, you're left with a really cute bitty bow clip on a clip. There we go, nice and simple. Perfect.